Go to the Basic menu. Find the On Start block. Drag it into the workspace. Go to the Radio menu. Find the Radio Set Group block. Drag it into the On Start block. Enter your radio group number in the Radio Set Group block. Go to the Basic menu. Find the Forever block. Drag the Forever block into the workspace. Go to the LED menu. Find the Plot Bar Graph block. Drag it into the Forever block. Go to the Input menu. Find the Acceleration MG block. Drag it into the Plot Bar Graph block. Type 1000 in the up to space of the Plot Bar Graph block. Go to the Radio menu. Find the Radio Send Number block. Drag it into the Forever block. Go to the Input menu. Find the Acceleration MG block. Drag it into the Radio Send Number block. Now download the algorithm onto the sender microbit.